Hey guys, next up we're going to attach a fractal vise directly to the desktop workstation. So for this you want to take out the cutting mat, the stainless steel plate, and the ruler. That's just when we're moving this around, these don't fall out and fall on your foot and it's really painful. So we need to take off the plate that's on the bottom of the fractal vise, or remove the screws that holds the plate in place. These screws will be replaced by some 14mm screws, and the reason for that is we need the extra length to accommodate for the thickness of the desktop workstation. So once those are removed, you can leave this plate exactly where it is, and you're going to want to make sure that the lead screw, once you turn the desktop workstation over, that the lead screw is on the front edge of the desktop workstation. And then you can take your new screws and pop one in the front corner, and then you can use the other holes to align that screw. Once you got one in, it's really easy just to pop the others in. I usually go in a diagonal pattern. And then just a little nip, just to make sure that's nice and secure. There you have it. Fractal vise attached to your desktop workstation.